my Don't Choose the Wrong Hotel Shampoo Slime Challenge. So over the 2 weeks we were on vacation, we saved up all these shampoos for we could do this video. So we brought our own shampoo and conditioner. So we were going to do this when we were on vacation, but we ran out of time. So we brought them all home with us and we're going to be doing it now. So you guys already know how this challenge works. We have to try to get the good one. And the good one is the shampoo and the bad one is the, I guess, the one. Oh wait, the good one is glue and the bad one is shampoo. Okay. So rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first?
Yep. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yay! I get to go first.
Okay, round one. Pick Izzy.
Okay. Go for the lucky middle.
Okay, I'm gonna pick this one.
Their shampoo looks like slime, already made slime.
Ooh, glue.
Glue! Their shampoo comes out so hard. I used one of them.
It comes out, it doesn't come out easily.
Yeah, it doesn't come out easily.
Okay, so
That's
round two.
Okay, I'm gonna go for this one.
I'm gonna go for this one.
Oh no, this one looks so jiggly.
Okay, so this one.
Shampoo. And look, their shampoo.
Glue!
Their shampoo looks like slime and feels like it. Like whenever I used that once because I didn't know that we packed our own. And I used it and then I felt like I was putting slime in my hair. So thick.
Okay, pick Izzy.
I think this is going to turn out a good slime because they're little. And it's not going to be... This is like halfway. This is halfway full and... Shampoo again!
Okay, I hope this is glue. Glue! Yay! I haven't gotten any bad ones.
That was halfway full, but that's good.
Okay, round four. We just did three.
Oh, wait, what? Okay.
Okay.
Wait, let's see. Oh, yeah, it's round four.
Yeah. Okay, please be glue.
Shampoo again?
Glue!
No!
Yay!
I need glue. I only have one glue so far.
Wow, are you gonna get all the shampoos and I'm gonna get all the glue?
No. No. That's not gonna happen.
Okay,
You
round five.
I picked this one.
Okay, I picked this one.
Please be glue. Shampoo!
Glue!
Are you kidding me?
No. Have you got any glues?
One.
Oh, wow.
It's just like store-bought slime and like...
Oh. Okay, so when you're done with that, it's round six. Okay, I choose this one.
Please. It doesn't look jiggly.
Blue! Yay!
Blue! We both got lucky.
Yeah. Okay, round seven.
It's jiggly.
Glue! Yes! Can't believe how lucky I am.
Can I choose one for you?
No.
What if I choose for you and it's glue?
I can't believe how unlucky you are. Okay, is it round 8?
I think.
Okay.
Hey, I choose! I'll choose one for you.
No, don't choose one for me. No, no, no.
It's gonna be glue.
Fine, I have to choose one for you then. Okay.
Oh, it's glue. I saw it.
Wait, no, I have to choose one for you.
Glue. Glue.
Oh man, I tried to look for one I wouldn't choose.
What? Okay.
Okay.
Oops.
Glue, please be glue, please be
Glue.
Glue,
I
yay!
think the shampoo will hurt my slime.
I'll just like it better if I get all glue.
I'm choosing this one.
I'm choosing this one. Yay. You ready? Yay, yay. Glue. Okay, I'm so scared. It was shampoo.
It's so hard to squeeze.
You're missing. I'm just throwing it in the bucket. Okay.
Can't tell if it's glue or not.
Please be glue. Please be glue. Please be glue. Yes.
Oh, glue!
Oh wow, this one had a crack in it. Oh my god. The glue's everywhere. Okay. I've gotten all glue. Glue! Izzy's just waiting for me to get a shampoo.
Can I choose one for you?
No.
I was gonna give this one to her, but then I saw it was glue.
Glue!
Choose this one.
Which is this one? It's jiggly! Oh, it's okay.
Shampoo!
No! Yeah, it's okay. You didn't pay attention to the last round. I got shampoo, but I threw it.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did. It's right here. Man, I'm getting unlucky now. Oh, it's doing so good. Okay.
I choose excuse you. Oh!
I got shampoo. Okay. I know which one I want to pick, and I definitely know it's glue. Please don't pick it. Yes,
I farted
Ugh.
on that glue.
Yay, it's glue finally.
Did you not hear me? That sounds like SpongeBob when Plankton's like, they're like trying to get like Plankton's wife back, and they're like, is SpongeBob playing the mini piano?
No.
And
What?
Plankton's like, and he's like, would you shut up?
Pick.
Ooh, jiggly.
Glue, 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 glue.
Shampoo.
It's so satisfying how it goes down the side of the bowl. You got my face.
I did?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Okay. Glue. Glue!
Glue.
Okay. I've only gotten 2 shampoos. Well, really 3, but I didn't use one, so 2. Okay, I call these 2.
You can't do that.
Call the 2, Izzy.
Oh, they're both glue.
Glue, glue, glue. Yes. Okay, yeah, this one's glue too.
Did I get you?
No. Yay! Okay, so now it's time to mix it up. Hey, what color do you think it's gonna turn, guys? I guess white, because when it mixes all up, it's gonna have foam, like air bubbles in it, right? So I'm not crazy. Okay, you look crazy when you do that. This has glue on it. Okay, let's mix it up. I think Izzy's is gonna turn
Clear.
white.
When we have the tie, white. Actually, yellow.
Yeah. Okay, guys, so now it's time to activate it.
Why is it like whitish yellow?
I don't know, it's a really old one.
I was right. It's turning yellow.
Yeller.
Yellow.
Look how clear this is. Whoa. This is super clear. Okay, I'm gonna add some more activator. You want some more?
Yeah, just a little bit, like little bit. That was cool.
You sound like the chicken from Moana. Now it's time to work it on the table.
Did you see that?
See what?
Oh,
Wow.
hey Mary, let's add a little glitter to make it some color.
Oh! Dude!
You almost put it on me. Let's add some glitter to give it color. But first, can I have some activator? Just little.
Why don't you finish activating your slime first so your glitter mixes in?
I called Teal. Hey!
Wait, rock, paper, scissors?
Let go. No, I called it first. Let go.
Rock, paper, scissors!
Let go. I called it first.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Go.
Rock, paper, scissors.
How can I go? Yeah! I'll win. Rock, paper, scissors.
Okay, ready?
You'll be so mad if I don't win this. And you will haunt the rest of your dreams. I will haunt you. Yes. Come on. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. There you go.
I will
You will
haunt.
still haunt. Mom, can
You mean you will haunt?
No.
Mom, can you open this?
I'm not going to. I am TL.
Just let it go, Izzy.
Let it go. Let it go. Let the glitter rain on your head. Hey!
On your head?
Oh, it's gonna rip. Ooh.
Okay, let's mix it in.
I'm mixing in it already.
Oh, wow. If you mix it in by folding it, it's better because the glitter doesn't get on your hands and you have more glitter in your slime. Yeah, just look at this, just mixing it.
Yours looks like a rock.
Oh, it's
a
great.
hard slime. Like hard. Like rock hard slime.
Okay, let's see who can make the biggest bubble. Whoa.
That's thick bubbles.
Okay, let's see you make a giant bubble then.
I said that's thick.
Okay, let's see you make a giant bubble then. Oh, wow. Who's the best?
Oh my god, this will go perfect in the slime.
Really? How was it?
Don't question yet. Don't question me yet.
Okay, when should I?
When I do it.
Let's see who can make the best swirl.
My little monster. Oh my god, his eyes are poking out so bad. Okay, no.
There you go.
Okay, now you can get out. What? Yeah, I have better sound.
Okay, let's see who can make a better swirl then. Okay, wait, I messed up. Wait, oh, what? make a better swirl.
I had a dream.
What? What was it about?
I had a dream that we were on vacation and went to this candy store and like I was a superhero and then the phone rings, like the superhero phone, and you had to answer it and like he said, "Hello, what's your problem?" And he said, "My cat got stuck in the tree," and then you said, "It's not an emergency, man. Call 911."
Let's see who can make 3 bubbles in a row.
Butt cheeks. Oh, that's thick! Whoa!
Izzy! Looks like I have less slime now.
No, this is so thick though. You have
Oh,
less.
Izzy! Okay. Just a little piece of this. I'm gonna make a tiny swirl. Give it. There you go. Make a bubble with this over this big chunk of slime.
Oh, okay.
Okay, ready? Oh! One down. Oh!
Kind of work.
Let's try one more time. Here we go.
Wait, let's try to do it. Okay, ready?
Yeah. Up, down. Hey! Well, bye guys. Thank you.
You said you don't like slime on your pants. You never said you don't like slime on your hair.
Were you about to say I?
I was about to say eyebrow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Who do we care for? 1, 2, 3, 4. Who do we care for? Not Mary's pants.
Well, bye guys. Next time again.
Bye.
Bye guys. Thanks for watching. Please remember to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. And don't forget to comment down below whose slime you like better or if you think our slime